Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Last time I shared 2 pages from my website project, the home page and the About Us page. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to check it out after this one. Today, I've completed 2 more pages, the Our Services page and the Contact Us page. Each page has its own role, but if you ask me, the most challenging part of website design is always the home page. Why? Because the home page decides the entire feel of your website. The colors, the fonts, the spacing, and even the mood of your design, everything starts from there. If your homepage looks perfect, the rest of the pages automatically fall into place. When you start designing a website, the first thing you should do is set your font and color styles. Create a proper system, like heading fonts, paragraph fonts, and button styles. And for colors, keep it clean and consistent. Don't go crazy with too many shades. Just 2 to 3 main colors are enough to make your website look elegant. And the same goes for fonts. Never use more than 2 fonts. Too many fonts can make your design look messy and unprofessional. Remember, good design is not about using more, it's about using the right amount in the right way. Simple, balanced, and consistent design always wins. I'll be making another video soon explaining this whole process. How to pick colors, how to match fonts, and how to create your own design system that makes every page look connected. So stay tuned for that. If you'd like to try out this design yourself, I've added a download link in the description. You can download the template and practice along. It's a great way to improve your design skills and learn how to build layouts that actually look professional. And hey, if you liked this video or found it useful, make sure to give it a like. If you didn't like it, that's fine too. Hit dislike and let me know why. Your feedback really helps me improve and create better content for you. I'm currently on a mission to reach 500 subscribers before November 1st. And with your support, I truly believe we can make it happen. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do it now, because I'll be posting new videos every single day in the coming weeks. Each video will cover something useful for designers, like layout building, color psychology, font pairing, and even ready-to-use templates that you can download and learn from. So stay connected, keep learning, and keep designing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.